Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming your Google Voice number is active and can receive SMS. Open WhatsApp and choose Verify, then enter the Google Voice number. Once done, make sure Google Voice text delivery is enabled. Otherwise, WhatsApp won't get the code. You disable call screening or forwarding rules that block verification calls. You do this now because verification messages are time-sensitive, and preventing interference speeds the process. You monitor Google Voice on the web or mobile app to catch the incoming WhatsApp code. If SMS doesn't arrive within a minute, tap Request Call in WhatsApp and pick up the Google Voice call. The automated voice reads the 6-digit code. Once you hear it, pause, write down or memorize the digits, and enter them into WhatsApp immediately. You do this because calls can arrive faster than SMS, and entering the code quickly prevents timeouts or repeated attempts. You complete WhatsApp setup by adding your name and allowing contacts and media permissions so messages sync correctly. Once done, test messaging a friend to confirm delivery. If verification fails, clear WhatsApp cache or try using a temporary SIM to receive the first code, then switch back to Google Voice for ongoing use. If calls are blocked, access Google Voice voicemail, where the automated call sometimes leaves the code. This alternate path often resolves stubborn verification issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.